Guys, I love Honda products, and I have the Honda HRX 217 mower. And I tell you what, I absolutely love this mower, but I've had a couple of problems with this mower. Let me tell you one of the problems. It leaks oil. But first time it was my fault, second time it was their fault. Let me show you what went wrong with this thing, okay? A lot of times, Honda did not accurately use that silicone, enough of it in this, okay? And it leaks out of here. But more times than not, that's not what the problem is. And you will have oil that is leaking all through here. What is it? It's still Honda's problem. On their dipstick, which I can't even open up, okay? It's so janky here, right? If you accidentally go over that, okay? The Honda technician told me, check your dipstick. When I checked it, I said, yeah, I'm just slightly over, no big deal. And he says, no. He said the GCV 190 was a precision motor, and if you went over just slightly, it will push oil out of the muffler, and if you put a little bit too much again, it's gonna push it out of the air filter, and eventually you're gonna break the seals on the valve cover. And so what I did is think, well, I'm gonna just change out the valve cover. I'll clean it up, and I did. Okay, I emptied all the oil and I changed it and I fixed the problem. But then again, I changed the oil and the same thing happened. What's happening is the oil is coming out of here, but you can't tell right away. So if you take this cover off and you notice a bunch of grit and grime, it's because you put too much oil in it. I'm talking the slightest amount over the check marks, and the check marks are really hard to see. Friends, change the oil on it, take this cover off right here, clean it up. I guarantee if it's leaking oil, there's a 95% chance it's coming from here. It's dripping down. If you have a bunch of gunk in here, guess what? Clean it up, change the oil, and make sure you fill it correctly. Guys, the next thing you want to do is check the spark plug, check the gap. People have no idea how to do that. You need to do it. You need to get that tool, okay? If it's all fouled up, get a new spark plug, but it should be 0.028 to 0.031. If it's in that range, you're golden. If the spark plug looks good, you're fine. If it doesn't look good, change it out. The next thing I did on mine is I changed this to a high performance filter. They had them on Amazon. They weren't expensive. I put it on this. I put it on this Honda right here. I put it on this old 7.75 Briggs & Stratton again. It's all the same air filter, and I tell you what, it made such a huge difference. It gave it much more power. It was almost like I had a brand new engine. I couldn't believe the difference that an air filter can make that's made right. All right, well, I hope this helped you out, and I hope you're not doing a bunch of stuff with the gasket if you don't have to. First thing you need to do, check the dipstick. If you're over, more likely, next thing you do, go to that cover over the muffler. You're going to check it. If there's oil all over it, drain all the oil out, clean that up, make sure you put the right amount of oil in. You're not going to have any problems. You don't have to pull off the valve cover at all. Thanks, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like this.